Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all will be fine. Okay, today we will do the 43 page of summer pack workbook. Open your page number 43. Yes, open your page number 43. Write down the date and the day on the top of the page. Okay, as yesterday, today we also do the shapes, learn the shapes and trace the shapes. Okay, two more shapes are there. Firstly is cube and the second is square. Cube. Okay, first we will trace the cube shape. We will trace the cube shape. Yes, trace like this, make a straight line, then join this with line, another line. All lines will be equal. In cuboid shape, two lines are longer and two are shorter, and in cube shape, all lines will be equal. Yes, what is this? Square. What is this? Cube. Yes, repeat it. Cube. Trace all the lines. What is this? Cube. Cube. Like this. Okay. Trace the cube shape. What is this? Cube. Okay. We will do this activity of cube shape. Search and color cubical shaped object only. Firstly, search the cubical shape and then color them. Is this a cubical shape? No. What is this shape? Yes, cylinder. And this one? Yes, this is cube. Yes, this is also cube. A gift shape has also cube. What is this shape? Cube. Okay, is this a cube shape? No. Is this a cube shape? No. Okay, you have three cube shape are there and color them also. Okay, like this. You will take one color and color the cubical shape only very nicely. Complete this color. Very nice. Okay, complete this color and also do the color into shapes. Okay, what is the next shape? What is this shape? Yes, this is square. This is square. Trace the square shape. Make a straight line like this. Very nice. Now make another line. Trace another line like this. Now trace the third line. Yes. What is this? Square. Square has four lines and all lines will be equal. What is this? Square. Square. Okay. This is an activity of square. Search and color square only. You will find the square shape here and color them. What is this? Square? No, this is cube. Cube. What is this? Square. 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 Yes. And what is this shape called? Yes, this is cylinder. Cylinder. Is this a square shape? No, this is no square shape. Okay, color the only square shape. Like, color the first one. Okay, what is this? Repeat it and color it. Square. What is this? Square. Very nice, class. Okay, color all the square shapes. This is square, square and square. There are 4 square shapes. Color them. Okay, what is this? Take different cubical shaped objects and put it on the blank space in standing position and draw square shapes. Okay, like previous lecture, you will take a cubical shape and put here in this box in standing position and draw the shape. What shape we have? Yes, the square shape. Okay, this is a cube shape. This has a cube shape. Okay, put it in this box and now trace this. Yes, trace this. Okay, like this. Make a line and this and this. Okay, what will it become? Yes, it will become a square shape. Square shape. Okay, do this activity like this, like previous lectures. Okay ji, take care and Allah Hafiz.